In today's rapidly moving ecosystem, people are slow. There are people who are out there making six figures, getting their dream physique and locking down that high quality woman. And then there's you. You see, you clicked on this video because you know there's a fire inside of you that you want to let out. I'd assume people who watch this content make more out of life than a simple 9 to 5, investing in a 401k, hoping that they may retire in their 60s. Hey guys, my name is Shaq, and today I'm going to show you how to leave that road and make the perfect comeback in your life in 2024. Number 1, mitigate your anchors. As much as people like to talk about the things that you should, it's also important to talk about the things you shouldn't do. Offense is just as important as defense. You need to cut out old habits that draw you back down to the mud, and how to do that is by self-reflection and an honest assessment on where you are now. Who surrounds you? What are your friends doing? Your co-workers, your acquaintances. As much as it doesn't seem as important to critically assess who's around you, without doing this, they will always drag you back. You need to critically assess the things and people that anchor you down. If you can't completely destroy it, mitigate it. Number 2, understand that going from zero to hero doesn't happen overnight. You see, a problem with today's world stems from the fact that everyone wants to become a multi-millionaire with the least amount of effort in the shortest amount of time. That is just not feasible. Coming to terms with reality and understanding that even the biggest players had their own fair share of hard work and dedication should put you in a position where you can understand the relativity of time frames to success. The quicker you come to terms with that, the better you'll be. Number 3, disappear. You don't owe anyone an explanation. If you're trying to undo the damage in your life and succeed, you have to let go of your habits and disappear. Take time off from friends, family, and acquaintances. It could be 2 months, it could be 2 years. Use that time to find out what you truly want and what you truly stand for. You'll be much farther ahead, trust me. Another waypoint that can come off as a cliche, but it is timeless, are getting rid of system. You see, your results in life boils down to one simple thing: your habits. Humans are creatures of habit, and unless you find a way to work your way around this, you will never go very far. Number 4, take action. A common bad habit that the average person deals with today is procrastination. Millions of people deal with it each day, yet it only takes less than 10 seconds to defeat it every single time. Say you have an exam in 2 weeks and you want to study today, you have to study today. It's your finals. The limbic part of your brain, your reptilian brain, will try to rationalize your poor judgment, causing you to agree and lay back on your couch, fapping away. What you really have to do is to trick your brain into doing something of what I call an action of least resistance. Once you figure this out, it becomes 10 times easier to take action, hence taking care of procrastination. Number 5, get into a routine. The next goal to untangle your life and make a comeback is have a daily routine. It doesn't have to be some fancy routine or something exaggerated like running 6 miles at 5 in the morning or washing down 8 eggs with 7 cups of tea and then a dash of salad. No, what I mean is find a routine that had an aim of getting you out of bed and have you up and running for the day. Could be something as simple as making your bed and going for 10 push-ups daily. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Alright guys, if you found this helpful and you are ready to take your life to the next level, like this video because it helps get this type of content out there to help many other men. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see this type of content more often, because I post 2 to 3 times a week. Also, leave a comment on any other lessons or advice down below to help someone out.